Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ADP Workforce Now login problems, verification errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with ADP Workforce Now due to verification errors, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Start by confirming your username and password. Make sure that you are entering your credentials correctly. Check for any spelling errors or accidental spaces. If you've forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Once your password has been reset, attempt to log in again. If you're still encountering issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache and cookies, restart your browser. Try logging in again with your username and new password. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and check if you can log in. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you are still having trouble, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes, login issues can be specific to a particular browser. If none of these solutions work, you may need to reach out to ADP customer support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your login issue. They can offer personalized assistance to help you resolve the verification errors. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your login problems with ADP Workforce Now. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.